Hey everyone, I want to take you through just a couple questions on how to do slope-intercept form from a graph. So just remember that every graph, every linear graph will have two things typically. Y equals mx plus b is the form we want. So we want this slope, and we want this y-intercept. Let me change my pen real quick to this guy here. All right. Okay, so we got the slope and the y-intercept. So if you go through, okay, and find each of those, you can plug everything in. So for instance, this right here is the point 0, -5. So that means b is 0, -5. Oh, sorry, b is actually just -5. And then the slope. A lot of people get confused on this. So there's a couple points to talk about here. A lot of people don't know, do I go up, do I go down? All right, so first off, this is a negative slope. So you know your very final answer is going to be negative. So regardless of which way you go, down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to be 1 over 5. Okay, even if you went this way, up 1, left 5, it would have been -5. It's the same thing. The slope is negative, though. So your final answer looks like this. Y equals -1/5 x minus 5. So what you do is just put that in. Y equals... Let's see, it's going to take a second to do this part. -1 / 5x minus 5. That's it. So we got down 1 over 5x, and then we can submit. And that was correct. So then again, here's another one. Let's do one more. Again, just look at your points. There's 0, -1. So b equals -1. And our slope, I'm going to go to this nice point here. Some people go to this point here. Just make sure you reduce. So go down and over. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's down 4 and over 1. So -4 over 1, which reduces to -4. And then simply y equals -4x minus 1. And that's it. So go back. Okay. Y equals -4x minus 1. Double check. And we're good. So that's it. Like this one, you know it's going to be positive. So I won't type the answer in, but just to go over this one. Like here's our y-intercept, 0, -7. Find a nice point right here. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. This is a positive slope. Okay. And because of that, you know the slope's going to be positive, 3 over 1, which is 3. And then the y-intercept, b is -7. Put a line through that so it doesn't confuse money. So y equals 3x minus 7. And that's your final answer. So find those two things, and that's all it is. If you need any more questions, let me know.